Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks since my last update. Just showing you the motocross track across the road. So we've done a fair bit of work the last 2 weeks. We've put a centre wall in and also the back wall. So first of our project milestones completed, which is good, and we've started deconstruction of the COS, the 3 old COS, the old rooms, and starting to rebuild those. So once they're done, that's when then we'll end up doing the games room and the karaoke and billiard room. Then after that we'll look at moving in. So the centre wall's done. I'll get out of the sun so you can actually see something. So yeah. So the centre wall is done, and also the rear wall between the blocks, so you can get more of a view on what's ours and what's not. We won't find out until February, until we get permit for our front gate. So the wall at the moment stops about 10 metres away from the front wall. So yeah, that was the last couple of weeks. So we've also started, as I said, on the deconstruction. So yeah, so all these rooms will be getting revamped. So there'll be 3 COS here, but they're 3 visitor rooms. So when anyone comes to stay, they'll be staying in these rooms here. Yeah, obviously with roofs, bathroom and all the rest of it. But yeah, it's been exciting. It's been fairly busy, been fairly full on. Yeah, so we're looking at about a month to 2 months before those rooms are completed. Once they're completed, as I said, we get the games room. So the games room is this building here. So all that there will be getting demolished, and then we'll start doing on that one as well. At this stage we're looking at probably March moving in, before we have the buildings done, and then after then we'll start working on the main house. Originally we're looking at doing sea containers for construction, just due to access and ground condition. It's not possible to get containers in here, so we're just going to do the Besser block brick construction. Works out cheaper in the end because I don't have to land up lining the containers and all the rest of it. Still single level, but yeah, it should go alright. So yeah, March we're looking at moving in, and then hopefully August-ish we should have the main house completed. Yeah, what else? Oh, I've got a job in Vietnam, so doing paperwork at the moment. So end of January I get a start in Vietnam, so it's not a bad roster. So it's 24 on, 18 off. So there'll be a fair bit of progress done while I'm away. Yeah, it should be good. So anyway, yeah. Next update I'll give you another 2 weeks. See how it goes.